Hello Internet, YouTube and subscribers. As you can see, I've bought a Eurofighter Typhoon II kit from the Italeri or Italeri, I think it is, manufacturer. Now that'll make my collection of aircraft nearly up to date for the RAF, because I've got a Tornado. I haven't got a F-35 Lightning yet, but I'll be up to date to the turn of the century once I've got a Typhoon. And I've got the propeller Typhoon as well, so that can be a companion aircraft. This one I bought mainly because you got all the 4 decal options, which is really generous, really, compared to some manufacturers. A generous selection of aircraft, mainly 2014 and 2020. I've seen this one, the D-Day anniversary livery, when it was displaying at I think Duxford back in 2014. I saw it, so I may build that one, but I may also get another copy of this kit and build the other solar display for the Farnborough show on a different squadron. And I may also buy another copy of the kit, or another kit in scale, to use these decals up as well. But spoiled for choice you are with this. It's Italeri kit number 1457 in 172, obviously. The best scale, the sensible scale for those who have limited shelf space. Right, let's have a look here. So I've looked at this before, so I've got some pre-warning, so I know what to show you. What caught my attention anyway. First off, you got your standard modern exhausts, but it shows the date of the kit, because you've also got these little, if they focus, there we are. It's the back end of a Tornado engine. So somewhere you've got the option, if you can find the decals on aftermarket decal sheet, you can probably do the prototype which used Tornado engines. So I'm quite pleased with that, because everybody likes an option, doesn't they? Let's open the bag. I haven't opened the bag yet. I'll try and be quick about this, because I do dawdle sometimes when I'm scriptless, which is always. Write a script. If you write a script, you have to follow a script, don't you? So rather than trying to remember the script, you make it up as you go along. Well, I do. Nice full set of obviously it's a full set. Stupid thing to say. What is that dirt by there? Somebody coughed on. Somebody's snot on there. What? I don't know what that is. I don't really want to touch it. Yeah, anyway, wings. 2 wings, that's all you want. The top half of the bottom, obviously. Stating the obvious here, folks. What's that? Is that a hair, or is it a bit of sprue or something? I'm getting more than I asked for, aren't I? Bit of things. So the wings are connected to the bottom fuselage. Got nice deep wheel wells there with you see the detail in there? Quite good detail of piping in there. I'm happy with that. Nice bit of surface detail. Even when he was in the bag, I thought the leading edge was a bit what's the word? Chunky. The holes, the grooves, what do you call them? Panel lines. I know that's a spoiler which is supposed to come out. Not spoiler. Yes, but is it a spoiler? Yeah. No. Anyway, the thing that comes out. I've momentarily forgotten aircraft parts now, which isn't good, but the ailerons likewise, and flaps, whatever. I could do with more subtle detail than that, but I think it's an older kit because, as I say, it gives you the option for the original engines. Yeah, the recessed panel lines, tiny. I don't know if that's a little bit of, not much flash at all really. That's quite good. And detailed cockpit, if I can get that in focus. Come on, buddy. There we are. And a nice detail on the belt, on the seat. You got harnesses molded in, so it'll give me cocktail stick out and paint those. 4 missiles. First glance, you don't get the smoke winders that you have for displays, so I may have to vandalize some sidewinders to make those. You got the head-up display area, the cockpit. That can focus. There we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Anyway, you can probably see there's some detail. It's the screens. Right. Again, just 2 main sprues. You got the nose cone there, pushed back. You got air brakes here. You got the bottom of the air intake. It's a bit of a extrusion mark there. Can you see that? Bit of a circle. But other than that, I can probably sand that out. Alright, so I don't take too long on this, do I? There's the canopy, 2-part canopy, so that'll be good. Probably got an option to raise it up to have it open. Here we have the multi-decals. Nice and shiny, but they're not too thick. They're decent, and the detail on them, if it ever focuses, not too bad. I've got this. I've just realised I got this on automatic focus, so it's not macro so much. But you can see there, it's decent quality, very good actually. See the RAF Air Force Typhoon display team right in there, which is good. Typical everyday sort of instructions. Tells you what you need to know, and they're nicely presented, so they're not too crowded by the look of it, so that's good. Nice colour decal schemes and paint schemes. Do the 4 there, and that'll be good. That should be good. So I was happy with that. What was I going to say? I just saw something I was going to tell you. Oh yeah, we've got a little shaded out part for the parts that you're not going to use. With the tornado engines and the various missiles which may be on versions for other countries or for previous versions which are no longer relevant. So there we are. That's my most advanced aircraft flying for the RAF that I got a model of, and I've taken too long. 9 minutes is long enough to be waffling on about this, so thank you for your patience, and bye bye.